What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna make some jerk chicken for the kids. I got a pan, I got some season, that's about it. So I bought a whole chicken this time. Chicken because I needed some chicken breast and I wanted to do it like Jamaican jerk chicken with like a breast quarter and a leg quarter. That's what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna cut it in half and wash it off. Alright, so I'm gonna bust my chicken wide open down the center. A sharp knife, yeah, right down the center. So this is what you get in a whole chicken, guys. You got gizzard, heart, neck, and a big piece of fat. So I'm busting this straight down the middle. See? Wide open. Just need two pieces. See, with a sharp knife, guys, a very sharp knife. And I don't want this piece of fat on it, so I'm taking this off. Alright, so as usual, guys, you gotta clean the back part out of this. Whatever is in it, just clean it out. And then wash this off with some vinegar. Alright, guys, so I'm washing off this meat. Washing off my chicken. I'm not gonna cut it into, should I cut it into quarter or should I do it like that? So I'm cutting it into 4 pieces, right? Should just cut it right now and get it over with. Alright, so I'm cutting it right under here. A breast quarter, a leg quarter. So I'm gonna have 2 breast quarters. So that's all I need. Then I'm gonna season this up. Alright guys, so I got these into 4 quarters. 2 leg quarters, 2 breast quarters, and I washed it off with vinegar, and now I'm gonna season it up with some seasoning. Alright, so you can blend onions, garlic, stuff like that. You can literally blend those up and pour them on it, or you can use ready-made season from the store, like powder season and stuff like that. You can use those pepper seeds and stuff like that to make it taste good, because that's what I'm doing now. I'm using pre-made seasons. I don't see the difference. Some Jamaicans will be like, I'm only using fresh season. Honestly, I really don't see the difference, because these things have like the onions and stuff in them already. Only that they're dried out, they're dehydrated. That's all that the difference is, right? But it's still the same season. You're gonna get it flavored even better. Alright guys, I'm gonna put some Maggi chicken season on this as well. And I got some, this called Superbird Poetry. It's like pepper and stuff in it. Like guys, you put whatever you want to put on it. You understand? Just make sure it's spicy. Just make sure you add some season on it. Don't just do it like you're not black. Do it like black people. That's what I'm trying to say. Do it like black people, not like regular people. Alright? Black people like to season their meat. Season your meat. Alright? If you don't season your meat, it will not taste right. Even if you smoke the hell out of it, it will not taste good. Alright? And then even if you smoke your chicken right, normally I like to season my food and put it down in the fridge overnight. Today, not doing that because I just came home from school and I decided that, you know what, let me go jerk some chicken for dinner. But what I'm gonna do is put it on like low smoke flame. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna smoke it so it will have time to kind of marinate in the while it's on the grill. Alright, so try to season it properly, like these little pieces. Open it up, rub seasoning in between the creases and stuff like that. Now let me show you guys. Look at it. You see, it's covered in season. Look at it. See, covered, so it's gonna be good. Alright, all over. Alright guys, I'm taking this around the back. Fire up the grill and put it on some smoke. Alright guys, so I used this grill the other night. I just need to clean it up, grease and stuff off of it, light it, burn it off, and just brush it down, and then that's pretty much it for this. Alright guys, so I just knocked out the ash from out of this. I'm lowering it. So I bought some charcoal the other day. Alright, it says 1 match light. Alright, so literally 1 match lighted. So it does not need the gas and stuff. But one problem with it, it burns out so fast. And let me show you guys. Literally, see the box of it? And then it's literally like you just use a match and light it without putting any gas on it. Just like that. And look at that. It's literally blazing up already with no gas. I literally did not use any gas on it. And it's gonna burn and light the coal. I don't know, some magic in this. Alright, so I think the fuel is already infused in it, so I can just light like multiple spots just for it to blaze up quicker. But like literally I just light one spot and then just spread and light all over. easiest thing ever. When I saw it the other day, I'm like, what the hell? And the first time I used it was in the winter. It was very cold and it light easily, no problem. And normally when I'm doing charcoal, I literally have to be lighting, fanning, blowing, and doing a bunch of stuff. With this, nothing, just light it and that's it. Alright, but because it burns out fast, I'm gonna put some of the regular coal in it just to keep it a little longer, because this is gonna burn out real fast. And then when I cover it, it doesn't smoke as good. That's the problem I had with it when I used it the last time. It doesn't smoke as good as the other ones. So I'm gonna cover this and let it burn out the thing before I put anything in there. Cover it down, let it burn off the because I used it Sunday and I didn't clean it up. So I'm just gonna burn it off and then use the brush to brush the old fats off of it. Literally what I'm doing here. Nothing else. It's blazing. I didn't put any gas in there, guys. No cursing. I didn't put any such thing in there. Look at it flaming away, trying to burn me up and stuff. And that's literally what's going on there. Then just brush these off while they're flaming up. Whew, so dangerous. It's literally trying to burn me. So I'm gonna cover this down to burn out the grill for a while. Enough of fat. Alright guys, this is what I got. So because I'm trying to smoke it, I'm not putting it directly over the flame. I'm putting it to the side, and once I cover it down, the flame is gonna die down a little bit anyway. But that's what I got so far, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm gonna smoke this. Temperature should be above 300. Alright, see, it's running all up. Alright, so that's way too high. So I'm gonna close this just to keep down the flame a little bit. Alright, because that's way too high. Too much flame blowing up. Alright, see, it's gonna die down and just smoke. That's what I want from it. Alright guys, let's see what's going on with this chicken. Oh my god, so good. And that's done guys, that's done. That's done. Alright, that's done right there. And it's literally no heat underneath it. I just put them on the side, and the thing was like 500 degrees guys, and that's pretty much it. We're done. Just got a little more sauce left here. I just drained it over it. I let it stay for another couple minutes, and that's what it is guys. It's done. Done right there. That's one way of doing it. Normally when I'm doing more and I have everything all filled up, I'll be squirting water on it, or squirting like wine or rum on it just to cool it down. But as it is, I only got one chicken, so I put 2 pieces here, 2 pieces there, and that's it guys. It's done. Let me go grab something and take it out. Alright guys, I'm done with my chicken. Nice.
Whoa.
Like a good Jamaican jerk.
I've never been so strong to hold a lighter like
Stop
this.
burning out the lighter, kid.
I didn't know.
Alright, so I'm done with that. I just need to put this flame to rest. Do you have some water I can pour in there?
Oh yeah, I do.
Channel is helping me with fire control. Oh my god. Making a big fat mess.
Here, wait. I'm gonna do it.
No, wait. No. You gotta cool it off, see? I'm not leaving all this flame out here. That should be it. Cover it down, huh?
What do you guys make? A
Jerk chicken.
Do you guys usually put water on it?
No, because there's a lot of coal I use this time, so I just douse it down because there's gonna be a lot of coal left over. Alright guys, my chicken is done and I'm gonna chop it up.
What the heck? Hey, not while I'm washing my hands.
I'm gonna chop it up guys. I need a breast piece. Look at this. Woo-hoo. Look at that guys.
Oh.
So crunchy on the outside, but it's so right through guys. Nice and soft. Just like it was done on the streets in Jamaica. Look at that. Whew. So sweet, guys. So nice and juicy. I haven't even tasted it as yet, but it's juicy. That's all I'm saying. You wanna try it, Chanel, and tell me? Don't tell me how it is. Don't tell me if it's good or not. Don't tell me. So I'm gonna slice this up, guys. I'm gonna put some ketchup in it. It's gonna be nice, just like Jamaica jerk on the streets. You know what? I'm gonna put it in foil paper just like they do it on the streets in Jamaica. Let me get some foil paper. Alright guys, this is how they serve jerk chicken in Jamaica on the street side, alright? They give it this foil paper and they rip it off. I'm like, sell me a breast quarter. And they put that in. And then they put it right here, right? And they sprinkle some ketchup on it and some pepper. So because I'm giving this to the baby, I'm only put ketchup on it, right? Ketchup on it. And they put a lot of ketchup on it. And then because they want the ketchup to last long, they have like half bottle of ketchup and half bottle of water. And then when they spray it on it, it's like a liquid water ketchup paste they're giving you. And then you got this. Then they give it the Wonder Bread. Look guys, you know Wonder Bread? Then they give it 2 slices of white bread. And that's how they serve up jerk chicken on the streets in Jamaica. Who wanna do the test? Me. Who wanna do the test? This is how they serve it. Look guys, 2 pieces of bread and a chicken, and then they wrap it up in a foil. You wanna try it, you know? Well, sure. Try it. Come. Tell me if you, let me see if you're gonna lie about it.
It's good, but
You want some salt? Good, but what?
nothing.
Okay. Alright. Well, that's yours. That would be, that's gonna be 1,000 Jamaican dollars right there. $1,000. You gonna pay me? Come take it. Here, take it. That's yours. Of course, jerk chicken is very expensive.
It's like 500.
When I went to Jamaica in 2023 and I bought jerk chicken, I literally paid like $1,000 for a piece of breast.
That's crazy.
Literally. You want something, guys?
No, not right now. I have to go.
Okay.
But I want to talk to you though.
Alright, let me finish up my video. Alright guys, so this is mine.
Being in Jamaica is amazing.
This is mine right here. For mine, I'm putting on, this is how they give it, the ketchup, and then they have the grace pepper, right? The liquid pepper that they put in. And the liquid pepper is also diluted with water.
What
Look
is
at a tiny
that?
bottle of pepper like this, for the Jamaican one. Right, so in Jamaica, they have some tiny bottles. Is that it? Because I was just going to use this because I know this tastes different. Right, so this is the Jamaica pepper that they serve in Jamaica with the jerk chicken. And then they sprinkle a lot over it. But theirs is like covered with more water. So it's not as hot, but it just tastes nice. Alright? And then, me being big back, I'm going to take like 3 slices of bread. I'm like, jerky? Give me 3 slices of bread, jerky. And jerky going to be like, oh, that $1 extra. How much $1 extra for extra slice of bread? Alright guys, so that's it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us what to cook next. See you in the next video. Peace out.